11 benefits of eating boiled eggs for the body.
Eggs are one of the most commonly consumed foodstuffs by the community. Food ingredients are like complete packages, because they are versatile, easy to process, delicious, nutritious, and of course easy to get. The advantages of eggs not only come from the nutritional content. As mentioned earlier, eggs are a versatile and easy to process food. There are countless recipes that involve eggs as in it. However, although there are many different ways to serve it.
Boiled eggs are usually served as a breakfast menu. The nutritional content and ease of making boiled eggs make it a practical but still healthy breakfast. Although the nutritional content of eggs is lost when we process them into boiled eggs, this dish is considered healthy because it can prevent us from harmful bacteria such as Salmonella. The first benefit of eating boiled eggs is to help lose weight. Reporting from the page timesofindia.indiatimes.com, boiled eggs are an excellent source of lean protein. These foods will make you feel full without putting in too many calories, which is especially helpful if you're trying to lose weight. Lunch or dinner with 2 hard-boiled eggs and a cup of vegetables only contains about 274 calories. The second benefit of eating boiled eggs is that they are a good source of choline. Choline is a nutrient that regulates brain, nervous system, and cardiovascular health. It helps maintain the structure of brain cell membranes. The third benefit of eating boiled eggs is that it can increase metabolism. Eating high-protein foods can increase metabolism through a process called the thermic effect of food. This happens because the body needs to use the extra calories to digest and process the nutrients in food. Eating hard-boiled eggs will help you burn more calories than eating carbohydrates or fats. It provides a boost in metabolism. The fourth benefit of eating boiled eggs is to increase energy. Boiled eggs are suitable for breakfast. Quoted from Bowler.com, this food has all the nutritional content needed as an energy booster. Vitamin A, vitamin B12, and selenium contained in these foods are also a source of nutrients to keep the immune system healthy and strong. The fifth benefit of eating boiled eggs is to help nourish the skin. The content of vitamins and minerals in boiled eggs can help you to improve skin health and prevent damage to body tissues. The fifth benefit of eating boiled eggs is to help nourish the skin. The content of vitamins and minerals in boiled eggs can help you to improve skin. The protein content in boiled eggs can increase muscle mass and help muscle work. Therefore, consuming boiled eggs on a regular basis will help you increase muscle mass. Eyes are one of the vital organs of the body, so their health must be maintained. Boiled eggs can be one of the foods that can provide health to your eyes. These foods contain more zeaxanthin than vegetables, which can help prevent macular degeneration and lower the risk of cataracts.
You can watch the full benefits of eggs in our next video.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Eat well, sleeping well.